Hey there, Jason with AMI Detail. I had an opportunity to use Hard Wash, the version 2 on wheels, and man, it is awesome. So I paired that with the XFOAMR, which you can see here, and a lot of people were asking, hey, how does that work for foaming? Because I had done a rinseless wash, just spray with that, which worked great that way. But yeah, as a foamer, I went ahead and put the black one in there, and that worked awesome. So get a chance to see how it does here. So you can see with the foaming, it goes on nice and even. And I went ahead and mixed up 1.5 liters and ended up, put it at 5-to-1 as it recommends on the bottle, and it works great on tires and on the wheels. But yeah, you can see with the foamer, it does. You can kind of spray in on the barrel some, and it's kind of neat because it doesn't use pressure. It actually is like a atomizer kind of foamer, so it gives a real nice fluffy foam. And then you can see here, I went ahead and this nice gentleman sent some of the Sponge Guru sponges. I really like this one. It's kind of a, I don't know what you call it, kind of a smushed football shape on the end, and it really works good. You can reach in on the barrel and kind of get behind the spokes there. But as he's pointed out in his videos, that using a sponge on there is so much nicer than using a brush. But here's a cool part in this one is it fits between the caliper and the barrel on most vehicles pretty good. Even on my Boxster S, it fits pretty good. So I mean, it's can't complain. But yeah, it leaves a nice. This is on my daughter's car, and these haven't been washed for like a year. Franco also sent this other sponge that he made himself, and it's really sweet. Sorry, I'm doing the voiceover, so you don't get to hear it squeaking, but yeah, the whole time that it's just squeaking away, and you talk about something getting squeaky clean, it's pretty awesome. And you can see, it easily gets, forms to the different parts of the wheel, but really works nice. And then still stick with the brush, but you can see how the Detail Co., the Hard Wash V2 there is browning, that's pulling that, the dirt off the tire and stuff. And again, you can see with the results at the end here where it just leaves it nice, and for not being a dedicated cleaner, and and on these wheels and tires that haven't been done for like a year, I was thoroughly impressed. I mean, it really did a great job. And the nice part is it's really kind of gentle, because you think about some of the other cleaners that needed to do the same thing, and so yeah, again, it's really, really nice. As far as rinsing everything off, it again, no issues. This one I'm using just one of the single 1800 psi Ryobis, but an oversized nozzle, so I'm still using my 6.5 nozzle, so it's real low pressure. It's kind of nice. You can get up close and it doesn't spray back at you. So again, I have no idea what the flow or anything is at this level, but it's plenty to rinse a wheel. So again, like I said, it definitely cleaned quite well. Using the Dirty Boy towel to wipe it down and just dry everything off there, and then again, drying the wheel, and then also use that same towel to just go ahead and wipe down the tire as well. Didn't get a chance to put any dressing on this one, but it's kind of nice because you can see in the end shots here, it just leaves a nice clean wheel and tire. So again, awesome product, and using the XFOAMR I'd highly recommend if you're in the market for something like that. Again, it is a partnership with Carton, so the Korean made brand. So it's a great thing. But yeah, check that out. It is excellent results. So loving it. It's working great. Well, hey, thanks for watching.